Yeah, welcome to Star Wars land. The Galaxy's Edge Batu, it has 3 names. Whatever it is. We out here in Burnt Ears. In almost Six Flags? Yes, Universal. Universal Six Flags Orlando.
I wish we were in Harry Potter World.
I wish we were in Disney. And my wish is
I wish we were at a Carnation Cafe already with coffee and food.
Here, wait. I can make your wish come true. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Wow. See, I'm magic. I made all your wishes come true.
Thanks, Jenna.
You're welcome.
I need more Tabasco.
But now I need more coffee. Somehow we ended up here and I have a very low cup of coffee. Yeah, it is a personal problem. These are the allergy-friendly Mickey waffles. We love them so much. And we asked for bacon, but then we regretted bacon, and then they gave us sausage. So it's like they read our minds.
It worked out.
Yeah, here we are. We're going to see the nice Captain America.
Our favorite Captain.
Our favorite Captain America. Hopefully our favorite one is out. And then Guardians. Maybe. If we don't throw up. But we always do this. We always eat and then go on Guardians.
We do. Every time.
Every time.
Unless we do it first, and then instead of coffee, we just go into Guardians.
That's true. We didn't do that today because we barely made our reservation. And I made it later because I didn't think we'd make the earlier one, and we were late to the later reservation. Well, our favorite captain left like 5 minutes before we got in front of the line, but the captain that we got to meet was awesome. He was really great at talking.
Yeah.
He was really fun, very profesh, good handshake, and he's like, do you want to do a strong pose or a cute pose? I was like, strong? Come on! Who do you think we are? Guardians is now 35. Thoughts?
We can do it.
Let's do it.
And presto, the doors open for you.
Awesome dance-offers. We just totally rocked a thermo sensor.
It's all because of Rachel. Yes. Rachel, you just saved the galaxy by dancing.
Naturally.
Thank you so much for being.
What other way would the galaxy be saved?
You got me there. I have no idea. I'm so glad.
I saved it with the Macarena.
You did. You were peppy Macarena though.
True.
We had the full intention of doing straight face, but you know, when it comes to saving the universe, you have to be like at least somewhat excited, I guess. Well done.
I'm like Johnny from Hotel Transylvania though. He saves the day with the Macarena.
Oh, it's
in the
perfect.
3rd movie.
Yes, I remember that. So
I am Johnny.
You are. We are so many people. All right, where are we going now?
In Credit Coaster maybe?
What time is it?
Time for you to watch. 12:39.
Wait, oh, we have an hour until Toy Story, Midway Mania.
Rip.
Yeah, so we'll figure out what to do. Maybe we'll get more rosé, I don't know.
Here's a drink.
Cheers to being over 21.
Or 24. I feel like
I'm almost 25.
we don't talk about that yet.
How many months? What's
We're
June? So July, August, September, October. 4 months.
Not even, it was like 3.5.
Ew! Well, we got adult coffee because we wanted coffee, but we also wanted an adult beverage. So
Here we are.
Here we are. There's one place you can get it in California Adventure right before Pixar Pier, and it's amazing. Highly recommended. Cheers. Hey, they made a ride based on my life. They made a ride based on my life. The emotional whirlwind. Yep.
That may be true, but I wouldn't have nothing if I didn't have all of you.
Aww.
Such a nice segue. If I were a rich man with $1 million or $2 million, I have some ideas. Could live in a penthouse in a room with a view.
Yes.
If I were handsome, ooh, no way. Dreams still come true. But I wouldn't have nothing if I didn't have you. I wouldn't have nothing if I didn't have you.
Last round you beat me. standing up, and usually I'm fine to do that, but it took my ears with them and flicked them into the abyss of the roller coaster. That really sucks. My ears are gone. Good thing I brought an extra pair, but I'm sad. I like my red ones. We can wear my red ones. I'll actually do that. That goes better with my outfit. Coming in clutch, Rachel. That was sad. Oh man. So beware. Hold on to your ears until you're like off the ride.
Well, this works because these ones light up too.
Great. I'm still red. It's fine. We're gonna go back and maybe get them at the end of the night if we remember.
You know what we need to do?
What could we do?
Well, you know what we need to do, that's what I said.
Oh, what do we need to do?
Go see Mickey and the Magical Map. But the last showing's at like 5 something.
Oh my
so
gosh,
we
we just
before.
have too much to do in the next like 2 hours.
Hey, you've been there, so have I.
Patty! I didn't like Paris. Yikes, this is why we're friends. Me too, I watched it on the way to Paris, fun fact. I'm shiny as heck. And what are we doing? Oh, we have reservations at the Cantina, where we're gonna buy way overpriced cocktails again. Hey, Rachel.
Well, hello! I will not be Charles.
Wow. Wow, it's me and Rachel. In another life. No, is that how you say it?
No, we should try to do Mickey
Magical Map
and we'll
first.
leave early if we need to.
That's fine. Loki is so good. Loki. Loki was so good. And Thor was majestic.
Hi, I'm single. Here's a piece of paper with a bunch of seemingly random numbers, but they're actually
my phone. So please contact Rachel. He recognized that we were themed for Thor and Loki,
Yes.
the flower theme. So that was good.
a little bit.
Thor was a little slow to the game.
perceptive.
Yes, but he was still handsome and very good. His accent was on fleek. Good character meet. I like meeting them together. For a while they disappeared after Ragnarok had kind of died down,
But they're back
I'm
for the summer.
so glad they're back for the summer. They're some of my favorite characters to meet.
There's
So.
like awkward photos of us talking to them.
Oh good, I love awkward photos. Okay, and what we're gonna do, Soarin' Over California, which is great that it's back because I think it's better than Soarin' Around the World. And it's here for another month. And that's it. Okay, bye. Magical Map. Not surprised we did that. We're headed to Batu, taking you through Star Wars Land finally. You're welcome in advance. We love the First Order. That's what we dressed like the first time we came here. You can't see because we only have like 2 pictures from PhotoPass, but no videos or anything. Yeah, welcome to Star Wars Land. The Galaxy's Edge Batu. It has 3 names. Whatever it is. We're in a galaxy far, far away. And when's our reservation now? Cool.
Yeah.
We need to talk about 2 things. 1, the detail here is impeccable, and 2, it's empty here. We don't even need to do loading groups. We just walk in, and there's a lot more space than when we were here last time, which was for the premiere, and now it's open to the public. And I hear the stormtroopers.
Here, have you seen anything suspicious? This isn't very convincing. We'll be watching you, citizen.
Here we go. Hello, folks. I'm DJ Rex. This may be your first time here, and it's mine too. Let's get to cruising altitude with a tribute to a song that swept
orange juice.
It tastes like orange juice. This is dangerous. Wait, ready? This one has the ears. They measure ears. Oh, they do. It's been nice knowing you. Yeah, Rip. Don't inhale while you're drinking this one. All right, Rachel, final thoughts on the Cantina. I love it. Me too. It's a good time. Just be prepared to spend a lot of money, especially if you have 2 drinks. We spent about $40 on 2 drinks. Sorry, not sorry about it. It's a fun time. Wow.
John and Leo will probably get drinks.
Okay, good. We're in on the action. We get to sit and watch a lightsaber being built because we can't afford to make one.
Also know that it's kind of dark in here, but it's the only lighting that I look decent in, so we'll just have to sorry, allow me to introduce yourselves. This is Priscilla, and this is Eddie. My name is Leo, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. Violence. It's the most rare and beautiful. Yes. Was built by Master Mace Windu.
It's amazing. And it's choreographed with the music.
Red. Some call it the Crystal of Power. It was once built by Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren.
Yeah, we love him. Pick your crystal.
Once you've chosen your crystal, make sure to place it
Heck
in
yeah.
that green tray in front of you. Place it in the pieces you previously chosen.
What, you get to like actually build it? What the
It was
heck?
a little bit confusing.
This is so cool.
It all makes sense.
Oh, he's done this before.
He's a pro. He knows what he's doing.
I mean, just the crystal is the coolest thing I've
This
seen.
is not his first.
That is just the coolest part. He's going for it.
This is not his first rodeo.
Wow, look at that.
Choose one soda
That is so legit.
On the inside of those plates, there's a red square and a blue square. On the side of your chassis,
It's in
there's
the
also a red
Completed, almost. We just need the light.
This is something that takes years and years of practice. Luckily for you, we just finished our 2-week course. So,
Much skill have you shown.
It's Master
Told
Yoda.
yourself you had. Now, join you and me. It is time.
I will ask you all to take a step forward, place a hand on your hilt, and together we will activate the lightsabers. Are we ready?
Yes.
Alright.
It's not even my
Step
lightsaber and I'm ready.
Place a hand on your hilt,
my
take
gosh.
a deep
Oh
breath,
my gosh.
and activate. Raise your lightsaber. For you have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the balance.
What the heck, that was so
It
cool.
only takes a spark.
Yeah,
Please, deactivate your lightsaber.
we need to do this. We're doing it. How do you feel, Rachel?
Like it's not mine.
This is pretty epic. It doesn't answer to you?
No, it doesn't.
Oh no. That's pretty epic though. You should light that up. Come on. No? Ooh.
See it.
Oh, that's okay. It's still epic. It made a sound. That's all that matters. The detail in these shops is just so good. So good, right, Rachel? Right? I don't know, what are we doing? I don't know what we're doing. I want to get yelled at by these stormtroopers. Sorry, I almost knocked your phone out of your hand.
Trying to get nervous.
Picturesque stormtrooper vibe. Oh, they're leaving. Bye.
Could potentially run into things.
Well, I just made friends with a random cast member, so I think things are going pretty well. Ben is great. Okay, Rachel's dragging me. Here we go. We're gonna ride this beast right here. We were pilots yesterday, and that's the only fun thing to do on it. So if you ride it, hopefully you're a pilot. Quick update, we're going to California Adventure to ride Guardians, and then we'll come back here later to do the ride because the ride is 55 minutes and that's not good. But keep in mind, this is opening week and the pathways are pretty clear. Are we going this way?
You should be afraid.
Yeah, remember how they blocked out everyone's passes except the top 2 tiers? And now it's really, 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 really crowded.
It's crazy.
This is amazing. I can hardly move, it's so busy. Hey Rachel. So crowded, wow, wow. Where are we going? Rachel? Okay, there you go. Woo! We did Guardians, and it was the same song as always, but we're not surprised. I only get I Want You Back. What do you get?
I get, I can hear the beginning of the song, but I can't think of the song.
You always get the same one, it's fine.
I don't remember.
It's fine, it works. I relate to Forky on a very deep level. Just kidding, we're going to Radiator Springs Racers because we have a fast pass and we actually want to use that instead of waiting in a 40-minute line for Incredicoaster. So, okay, we're going a different way.
We're gonna go to the front actually, just in
Why
case
not?
John's out.
Well, and also it's beautiful to walk through the front.
Time, but wait.
Racing yet? Just follow Mater into town to get ready.
So we got the cone special, buffalo chicken and it's just something else, just buffalo chicken.
Red buffalo chicken.
In a cone because we're at the Cozy Cone. And we're probably gonna make our way to Disneyland because we haven't done any Disneyland rides today, which is really sad. But we'll get to them because the park's open until midnight and it is 9:10 right now, so we got plenty of time. But at some point we also need to get my ears that we unfortunately lost, and we meaning me. Feel free to sing, I love it. The wind is howling like the swirling storm inside. Heaven knows it's Adele Dazeem singing. Wow. Wow. That's bright. But let's do Space Mountain, how about that? How about that? How about that? Here we go.
Catch me outside.
Catch me outside. Let me just say you've succeeded in a ride photo. When people stop to look at your picture, point and laugh. So
Truly, though.
I'll insert that here because it's pretty good. I got inspiration from a picture that I will also post here.
Poor Amy.
Because we have to, and
Don't
it
at
should be
Amy.
a Disney meme, and it's brilliant, and it's just so inspirational. I had to copy it. We're on our way to
Amy. She's not even here.
It's okay, we love her. It's out of love and admiration and inspiration. Okay, we're going to Batu to have food.
Oh, we cannot.
What?
The docking room's only up until 10. It is 10.
Dang it!
I was checking that right now. I was like, what time is it?
So what are we gonna do now?
I don't know.
I think we have fast passes for Indiana Jones. Do you want to do that?
Sure.
Cool. Bummer. I wanted
defeated.
ribs. Next time.
It's defeated.
Dang it. Welcome to Batu at night. So we're gonna go ride Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run, unless it's a long wait. But here we go. Look how empty it is. Oh my gosh. Can you believe this? Yeah, this is honestly really cool at night. Good views. Truly. Great views. Tilda Spire. Batu. We will be back. I don't know when, but at some point in a few months probably. But the line's too long, so we're not going to ride it. We're probably just going to go eat food and
It's not even that long, it's 45 minutes, but it's just like too long for our mood right now.
my feet hurt, so I don't really want to stand for 45 minutes. I'd rather just like walk onto a ride, which Indiana Jones is like 15 minutes right now.
I'd rather do that.
And eat food, because we haven't eaten since like 10 a.m.
Like real food, we ate popcorn.
Yeah, we had snacks, but it's just glorious view, so we're just taking it all in. And also look, there's like moments where there are no crowds. Keep in mind, this is the first week that it has been open. What a time. Yeah, what a time to be alive. We're lucky to be here, but let's go eat food. Well, it's 10:50 and it's empty. We had dinner at the refreshment corner at
11 o'clock at night.
because nothing else is open and we waited too long to have dinner, but it was great, you know, quick snack. And we're calling it a night because we are not 21 years old anymore.
We're only 45 minutes.
We are not 21 anymore. Yeah. And so we don't make it to rope drop to closing anymore. 8 to 12.
We don't even get up for rope.
No, we can't.
Well,
we
you
have
will
full
tomorrow.
intention. Yeah, tomorrow I will.
That's because I work at 7:30.
So I have no choice. I have no choice. But I mean, we had full intention of leaving the house at 9 and we didn't until like
9:30?
9:30. Well, that's pretty good. But anyway, it's almost closing time. 11:16. We're gonna limp back to the car and then probably crash super hard tonight and be up very early. Rachel's working, but oh, your water bottle's in the middle of this shot. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed Batu as much as we did. We didn't get to ride Smuggler's Run today, but we did yesterday, which was great. And we're pilots, so we'll end it on that note. And it was very not crowded today, so we did a lot of stuff. And I would call it a success. How about you? Yeah?
It was a solid day.
Oh, it was. Definitely.
And we did the Cantina today.
It's true. That was great. Cantina was awesome. And we watched a lightsaber being built. Highlight of my day. So, thanks for joining us. If you like this video, like it. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel.
Comment down below suggestions.
Whatever you want to see, whatever you want to know, we got you if we have the knowledge to fill the question with an answer. Have a great night or day, whatever you're watching this. Have a nice life. Okay, bye.